The year is 1806. Europe is ablaze with the Napoleonic Wars, and Britain, ever the opportunist, turns its imperial ambitions to the distant southern shores of South America, to the viceroyalty of the Rio de la Plata. A powerful British fleet, under Admiral Sir Samuel Popham and Brigadier General William Carr Beresford, set sail across treacherous seas. Their objective, capture the wealthy port cities of Buenos Aires and Montevideo, under Spanish rule yet weakened and vulnerable. On June 27, 1806, British forces seize Buenos Aires almost unopposed. Spanish officials flee. The British hoist their flag, confident of easy victory. But the people of Buenos Aires refuse to surrender. Rising from the ranks of the Spanish loyalists and local militias is a French-born Spanish officer, Santiago de Liniers. Rallying farmers, merchants, and even slaves, Liniers leads a daring counterattack. In August 1806, through urban combat and sheer determination, Liniers and his patriots expel Beresford's forces. The British humiliation is total. But Britain is not finished. In early 1807, a second, much larger invasion force under Lieutenant General Sir Samuel Auchmuty and General John Whitelocke captures Montevideo after bloody street fighting. Emboldened, they march again on Buenos Aires. But this time, under the command of Liniers and the fearless local militias, the city becomes a fortress. From house to house, street to street, the defenders rain down musket fire and boiling oil. Whitelocke's army is shattered. On July 7, 1807, Whitelocke agrees to a full withdrawal. The British dream of empire in South America dies on the cobblestones of Buenos Aires. The invasions fail, but they ignite a spirit of resistance that will soon lead the colonies toward independence.